This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the video recording resolution on this drone. In the beginning, open the camera feed of the DJI Go app. From here, press the icon located below the shutter button or record button. Now make sure that you are in the video recording mode by switching between photo and video modes here. Now select the second section at the top, go into video size, and set whatever definition or resolution you would like to record your video at. Some definitions also allow you to change the frame rate. For example, this one allows you to switch between 24 and 30 frames per second. And if we'll go all the way down to Full HD, you will be able to switch your FPS value anywhere between 24 and 120 frames per second. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.